want to thank Allah, first of all, for enabling us to reach this far. This project was not started yesterday. The dreamers have been around, and we'd like to thank those dreamers. Some of them may not be around anymore here on campus, but the dreamers of the coming of the Faculty of Engineering and Technology. I can't mention all of them because I know it's been a long journey. But we want to thank that one up there, whom I don't know the size of, and sometimes I say I don't know the sex, but the God is up there. I would like to thank the President. We've come very far, if that road is talked about. We've heard the words of the Vice Rector. The President has had quite a lot to play, a role to play in the coming up of what you see on this hill. So that being said, I'd like to thank our partners who enabled us resource-wise, because without that resource, you just can't get very far. You can be as bright as Einstein, have all your bright ideas, but they can end up on paper. So our brothers and sisters from outside the country, we thank them for the contribution that has been made. I'd like to thank the contractor for braving, because the challenges, those of you who have never been contractors may not know, challenges are there. But to be steadfast and really work with us in the midst those challenges. We thank you, contractor. Knowledge is power. Many people think, oh, once I've gone through my high school, oh, I'm done. Oh, my first degree, I'm done. Oh, my dear. After the first degree in my level of understanding, usually when I'm called at graduation functions, I say that's LC1 chairmanship. That first degree. So you need to climb to LC2 or LC3, the second degree, and then LC5 up there where the Vice Rector is. And therefore, those of you who are still young, please admire. Be desirous. Be aspiring for higher and higher achievements.
So for us, we are very pleased, and thank you for traveling. And on behalf of the Rector, I would like to thank you for causing this day have this function. Thank you very much for traveling. The Rector has asked me to register his apologies from Kampala at the ISF, as you heard on Friday. We had a meeting. The ISF team is coming, and I think they have arrived. So when we came in, a lot of challenges have taken place, but it's, I think, a blessing that we must learn from and have the resilience, the vigor and commitment to serve. So the Rector of the Islamic University in Uganda decided that we must approach everything differently. And then I asked him, what is the difference? He said the difference is not activity but results. So this is a result of what he said, that once we get an opportunity to say we are going to plant some money it must bear fruits. So we are very proud of Vicon and CDM for giving us this dream, because money is a different thing and the result is quite another. Then the other one which I would like to also register on behalf of the Rector is the appreciation to the government of Uganda, and especially the leadership of His Excellency, the President. In person, the President is very aware, as I have been emphasizing to people, what is going on here. When he was commissioning the other hostel, he asked about this land, asked me. And when even the First Lady came, he had all of the information. And before they could agree that we have these buildings, they made sure that certain things are done properly. So me, I am enthusiastic, as I was talking to somebody yesterday, that we shall have more positive contribution from IUIU and other funders towards the Islamic University in Uganda. And the President is eager to also to see that the university that he availed the opportunity to stand as a government. Because you have seen his clip, he knows that the other one was a secondary school. So it is not that this is the faculty, it is also that it is the first building of the university to stand in its school.
First of all, I'd like to thank all of you, the committee of Islamic University, for giving this opportunity. I still remember when we signed the agreement, we came here, it was quite bushy, the area had a lot of kids, and when we took over, this excavation started, gentleman Hari, we were there, and doing the excavation.
That one, yes.
And look at now, it's totally completely changed. And I want to thank all the teammates who work. Hari is again, Masa is again, electrical guys from here, and Syria from the guidance, very good guy, from Syrian side, and guidance. Same time, I'd like to come back to IUIU. The team has been fabulous, really honest. They're so generous and they're so work-minded. They're very polite people, extra polite. When they tell you something, they do so nicely. I think that this is good enough. But I'm sorry, this is taking my heart out. Very honest. It's so polite. Engineer Dawda is always there. He's always like, he's a technically, he's the guy, very easy. We all ask him. We are done with this. Mr. Rashid, 81, 24/7, 375, 65 days there. Call him anytime to say, from the procurement, the one is always there. So anybody, anywhere you want to, they're always there. Even Rector was very helpful in the last time. All the company members have been also moving. And we hope the purpose will build the building. Allah will give a lot of blessing to it and receive. And we want to stay here for next generation, in fact, to build more and more for you. We want to be here. Thank you very much for that. And I hope we will get invited to some more projects. Yes, thank you.